Start by gathering ripe avocados, a can of cannellini beans, a clove of garlic, fresh herbs such as parsley or cilantro, quality olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. These ingredients not only contribute to the flavor but also pack a nutritional punch, making this dish a wholesome choice for your morning meal. Begin by rinsing and draining the cannellini beans to remove any excess sodium from the canning process. In a mixing bowl, add the beans and use a fork or a potato masher to mash them until they reach a creamy consistency. You want to leave some texture for added bite, so don't overdo it. Next, finely chop a clove of garlic and add it to the mashed beans. Garlic not only enhances the flavor but also offers numerous health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties and immune support. Now it's time to incorporate the fresh herbs. Chop your choice of parsley or cilantro and mix it into the bean mixture. The fresh herbs will add a burst of flavor and a vibrant touch to the dish. To elevate the taste even further, drizzle in a tablespoon of quality olive oil. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, making it a fantastic addition to any meal. It not only enhances the flavor but also contributes to heart health. Next, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors and add a zesty kick. Season the mixture with salt and pepper to taste, ensuring that all the flavors meld together beautifully. Once your bean mixture is ready, it's time to prepare the toast. Choose your favorite bread, whole grain or sourdough works wonderfully, and toast it until golden brown and crispy. Now spread a generous layer of the savory cannellini bean mixture onto the toasted bread. Finally, slice the ripe avocado and arrange the slices on top of the bean spread. You can also mash the avocado and spread it directly onto the toast if you prefer a creamier texture. For an extra touch, drizzle a little more olive oil on top and sprinkle with additional herbs or a pinch of red pepper flakes for a hint of heat. This savory avocado and cannellini bean toast is not only visually appealing but also packed with nutrients. The combination of healthy fats from the avocado, protein from the cannellini beans, and the antioxidants from the olive oil creates a balanced meal that will keep you satisfied and energized throughout the morning. Enjoy this delicious toast as a perfect start to your day. Next, creating a versatile vegan vegetable omelette using chickpea flour is a fantastic way to enjoy a nutritious and satisfying meal. To get started, you'll need a few key ingredients that will not only provide flavor but also pack a nutritional punch. The main ingredient is chickpea flour, which is high in protein and fiber, making it an excellent base for your omelette. Additionally, gather a selection of your favorite vegetables, such as bell peppers, spinach, onions, and tomatoes, along with fresh herbs like parsley or chives to enhance the flavor. You'll also need water, salt, and pepper to season the batter. Begin by preparing your vegetables. Wash and chop them into small, bite-sized pieces to ensure even cooking. You can customize the vegetable selection based on what you have on hand or your personal preferences. For instance, zucchini, mushrooms, or kale can also be great additions. Once your vegetables are ready, heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and add a splash of olive oil. Sauté the vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes or until they are tender and fragrant. This step not only brings out the natural flavors of the vegetables but also adds a lovely texture to your omelette. While the vegetables are cooking, it's time to prepare the chickpea batter. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of chickpea flour with 1 cup of water, whisking until you achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. The batter should be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon, but still pourable. Season the mixture with salt and pepper to taste, and feel free to add spices like turmeric or paprika for extra flavor and color. Once the vegetables are sautéed, remove them from the skillet and set them aside. Next, pour the chickpea batter into the same skillet, spreading it evenly to form a round omelette. Allow it to cook for about 5 minutes or until the edges start to lift and the surface begins to firm up. At this point, add the sautéed vegetables on one half of the omelette along with a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Carefully fold the other half over the filling and let it cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together and the omelette to set completely. One of the standout features of this chickpea flour omelette is its impressive protein content, making it an excellent choice for those following a vegan diet. Chickpea flour is not only rich in protein, but also provides essential nutrients, making this dish both filling and nourishing. Additionally, this recipe is incredibly flexible, allowing you to experiment with different vegetables and herbs based on your preferences or what you have available. It's perfect for meal prep. as you can make several omelettes in advance and store them in the refrigerator for quick breakfasts or lunches throughout the week. Simply reheat them in a skillet or microwave and you'll have a delicious protein-packed meal ready to go. Enjoy your versatile vegan vegetable omelette as a delightful start to your day. You may subscribe if you will. Finally, preparing a savory chickpea toast topped with caramelized onions is a delightful way to start your day with bold flavors and nutritious ingredients. To create this dish, you'll need a few key components: canned chickpeas, red onions, curry powder, mango chutney, olive oil, salt and pepper. The combination of these ingredients not only provides a satisfying meal, but also introduces a unique flavor profile that caters to those who enjoy the warm, aromatic spices of curry for breakfast. Begin by gathering your ingredients. Drain and rinse 1 can of chickpeas to remove excess sodium. In a mixing bowl, use a fork or potato masher to mash the chickpeas until they reach a chunky consistency. You want to leave some texture for added bite, so avoid over-mashing. Once the chickpeas are ready, season them with a teaspoon of curry powder, salt and pepper to taste. The curry powder will infuse the chickpeas with a rich, savory flavor that pairs beautifully with the sweetness of the caramelized onions. Next, it's time to prepare the caramelized onions. Slice 2 medium-sized red onions thinly. In a skillet, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and a pinch of salt, stirring occasionally to ensure they cook evenly. The key to caramelizing onions is patience. Allow them to cook slowly for about 15 to 20 minutes until they become soft, golden and sweet. To enhance the flavor, stir in a tablespoon of mango chutney during the last few minutes of cooking. The chutney adds a delightful sweetness and tang that complements the savory notes of the onions and chickpeas. While the onions are caramelizing, you can prepare your toast. Choose your favorite bread. Whole grain or sourdough works wonderfully, and toast it until it's golden brown and crispy. Once the toast is ready, spread a generous layer of the mashed chickpeas on top. The chickpeas not only provide a creamy texture, but also contribute a hearty dose of protein, making this dish both filling and nutritious. After spreading the chickpeas, top the toast with the caramelized onions, ensuring an even distribution for maximum flavor in every bite. The combination of the savory chickpeas and the sweet, tangy onions creates a delightful contrast that is sure to please your palate. This savory chickpea toast, topped with caramelized onions, is perfect for those who enjoy the warm, comforting flavors of curry spices in their breakfast. The dish is not only satisfying, but also versatile. You can easily customize it by adding additional toppings such as fresh herbs, avocado slices, or a sprinkle of chili flakes for a bit of heat. Enjoy this unique breakfast option that brings together the goodness of chickpeas and the sweetness of caramelized onions, all while embracing the vibrant flavors of curry. It's a delicious way to start your day on a flavorful note. As we sit down to enjoy the prepared breakfast dishes, it's time to truly appreciate the incredible flavors and textures that each one brings to the table. The savory avocado and cannellini bean toast offers a delightful combination of creaminess from the avocado and the hearty, protein-rich texture of the mashed cannellini beans. Each bite is a harmonious blend of freshness from the herbs and a hint of garlic, making it a satisfying start to the day. The crunch of the toasted bread adds a wonderful contrast, elevating the overall experience. Moving on to the versatile vegan vegetable omelette, the first thing that strikes you is the vibrant color, thanks to the chickpea flour and the array of vegetables. The omelette is fluffy, yet substantial, with the sautéed vegetables providing a burst of flavor in every mouthful. The fresh herbs sprinkled throughout add a fragrant note that complements the earthy taste of the chickpeas. This dish is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly filling, making it a perfect option for breakfast or brunch. Finally, the savory chickpea toast topped with caramelized onions is a true standout. The sweetness of the caramelized onions, enhanced by the mango chutney, perfectly balances the savory chickpea. The toast itself is crispy, providing a satisfying crunch that contrasts beautifully with the soft chickpea spread and the luscious onions. Each bite is a delightful explosion of flavors, with the curry powder adding a warm, aromatic spice that lingers pleasantly on the palate. To enhance these meals even further, consider adding variations or additional toppings. For the avocado toast, slices of ripe avocado can be layered on top for an extra creamy texture, or you might even sprinkle some hemp seeds for added crunch and nutrition. If you're looking for a heartier option, vegan sausages can be served alongside the vegetable omelette, providing a protein boost and a satisfying bite. You could also experiment with different vegetables in the omelette, such as mushrooms or kale, to suit your taste preferences. We'd love to hear about your experiences with these dishes. Have you tried making the savoury avocado and cannellini bean toast? What variations did you incorporate? Perhaps you added a dash of hot sauce or a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for an extra flavour kick. Or maybe you've created your own version of the chickpea toast with different toppings. We invite you to share your thoughts and modifications in the comments below. Your feedback not only helps us improve, but also inspires others in our community to explore new flavours and ideas. So as you savour these delicious breakfast options, remember that cooking is all about creativity and personal expression. Enjoy the journey of discovering new tastes and textures, and don't hesitate to make these recipes your own. Happy cooking! And as we wrap up this delicious exploration of high-protein vegan breakfast ideas, let's recap the 3 fantastic recipes we've shared in this video. First, we introduced the savoury avocado and cannellini bean toast, a delightful combination of creamy avocado and protein-packed cannellini beans, topped with fresh herbs and garlic. This dish not only offers a satisfying crunch, but also provides a nutritious start to your day. Next, we prepared a versatile vegan vegetable omelette using chickpea flour, filled with sautéed vegetables and fresh herbs. This omelette is not only fluffy and flavorful, but also rich in protein, making it a perfect choice for breakfast or brunch. Finally, we enjoyed the savory chickpea toast topped with caramelized onions, where the sweetness of the onions, enhanced by mango chutney, beautifully complements the savory chickpeas. Each of these dishes showcases the incredible flavors and textures that can be achieved with plant-based ingredients. We encourage you to try these recipes in your own kitchen. They are not only easy to prepare, but also customizable, allowing you to add your favorite vegetables, spices, or toppings. We'd love to hear about your experiences. What variations did you try? Did you add avocado to your toast, or perhaps some vegan sausage alongside the omelette? Your feedback and creativity can inspire others in our community, so please share your favorites in the comments below. We want to hear from you. If you enjoyed these recipes and found them helpful, please take a moment to like this video. Your support helps us reach more viewers who are looking for delicious vegan inspiration. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos, which will continue to explore a variety of plant-based recipes, cooking tips, and nutritional advice. Thank you for joining us today as we explored these high-protein vegan breakfast ideas. We hope you feel inspired to get creative in the kitchen and enjoy the delicious flavors that plant-based cooking has to offer. Remember, cooking is all about experimentation and finding what works best for you. We can't wait to see what you come up with, so don't hesitate to share your culinary adventures with us. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.